the plains of Thessaly in the heart of Greece.
Welcome to Vlochos. Isn't it good to be back? It's lovely, and it's sunny, it's warm.
There's at least 1,000 years of known activity around this hill, stretching from the Archaic period up until the early medieval era. Today, a few monumental remains hint at its vibrant past.
I can see what looks like an opening up there and a mega wall.
We've partnered with an international team from the local Greek effort and the Swedish Institute of Athens, gradually unpicking those layers of history.
There are stories that are told about the areas, stories that combine mythology and the story of Alexander.
Now, we're returning for a summer of excavation.
We've left the geophysics and the bad weather at home, and we're back for another season.
Oh, tasty little sausage.
This could be game-changing in terms of our understanding of where we are.
Absolutely.
The geophysics are showing us monumental, just big structures.
Maybe it's a temple, yes. But we expect a temple, I pray for a temple.
Oh no.
Oh no.
And we've got just 3 weeks to find out. Let's dig some holes.
Stelios,
Hi, Lawrence.
would you mind taking a look at this for me, please?
Not exactly as it was expected, because we had some surprises.
It's always the last day, isn't it? It has to be.
Join Time Team on Patreon to access exclusive 3D models, masterclasses, and behind-the-scenes insights.